Hi and welcome everyone to another video about PromptIn. Let me show you the feature which is inside of PromptIn, the version control feature. How can you keep track on your prompts, your modifications that you have made, and how you can restore them, or how you can easily compare all of the versions that you have to quickly have an overview about what have you changed and perhaps restore the version that you want to go back to. So let's go to chromewebstore.com and prompt in, download it and pin it right here. So you can click on it here and then we go inside of full screen mode where we are right here, and then we will start right from scratch with another prompt. Let's enter first prompt for demo with "You are amazing." We don't add any description. We just save it like this, and then we have it right here. So when we click on it, we will see the title and the content. You are amazing, exactly the way we have saved it. And we can see here the versions. Like we have now only version 1, of course, with those values. But what we can do now is if we decided to edit it, for example, create an image of a cat, for example, to a prompt that will generate an image of a cat. So when we go back here to the versions, we will see, aha, a new version has been made with these modifications. So for each thing you see exactly what has changed from version to version. I can also go back and create another version by, for example, adding a description. For example, this is amazing, and we maybe say please in white and black. I don't know. So now we have this, and then we go back to our versions and we see a third version has been made. I have added a new description, and this new line has been added. You'll see directly what has changed and affected and how many words. So now the problem is that me as a user, I only see the version change between version 1 and version 2 or version 2 to version 3. But I have no overview about, for example, if I want to compare version 1 to version 3. Or let's say you have 8 different versions and you want to go back to how it has emerged between version 1 and version 8. So let me show you how you can do that. We can go inside of the compare feature, and here I select version 2, but we can select version 3, and we go inside of version 1, and then we see directly the comparison between the values from version 1 to version 3. So this is how it has changed over time, how many words I have changed, and what has been added. So that is very good to see. So now if I decided to restore the back to an older version, for example, let's say I'm on version 3 and I want to go back to version 1 so that these values here um, are the same back to version 1. I can go back to the versions and I go here inside of the version 1 and I click on restore. Version restored successfully, and then I click on here. I see the exact same values as before. You are amazing with no description. And inside of the version, I see a new version has been made. It has been restored. The changed from version 3 to version 4 and what has been changed while doing the restoring process. And you see you are amazing and everything has been deleted and there is no description with also the count of the words. So now if you want to export your information that you have from your different versions, you have the options to export it as a PDF LaTeX. If you are familiar with it, you can export it as a JSON code or you can export it as an HTML code so that if you have downloaded it, you can open the HTML file and then you see all of the details from each version. So yeah, that was for it from the version controlling feature. Also the data when you have changed to another version, so you can basically remember, I did this yesterday or today. And yeah, that was it. I hope you found this video useful and see you in the next one. Peace.